number 18 on page 114, everyone be attentive. Understand the things first. On 1/7/17, Sundaram Limited issued 14,008% debentures of rupees 300 each. 300 is the face value, not 100, okay? At a premium of 5% and then issued at premium of 5%. Yashvi, what will be the amount of premium? Silence everyone. What are you doing for so long? I've written the page number on the board. Question I have started reading. What are you doing so long? Why are you not immediately attentive once I start reading the question? Stand up. Yes, Disha, what will be the amount of premium? 300 into 5%, 15 rupees. I don't know about that rupees 15, everyone. Is everyone clear with this? Now, the debentures are redeemed on 30/6/2023 at rupees 330 per debenture and then redeemed at rupees 330. Salumi, what does it mean? How much? Yes, what is the face value? 300. Now if this is redeemed at 330, it means again premium is 30. So write down premium 30. So they are issued at premium, redeemed at premium. I told you yesterday what we shall be doing is first pass the entry of issue in the second entry I am talking about. Then leave one line in between and will combine the effect of loss on issue to premium of redemption. So in amounts also confusion will not arise. Okay. Further, write the necessary journal entries in the books of company without narration. Necessary entries means we have to pass issue entry also and then until payment. All the entries are to be passed. So make the format 4 entries will be there in all. These 3 questions are important from exam point of view for 3 marks. 16, 17, 18, all the 3. And one more thing. When no installments are given, it means whole amount is called with application. So only 2 entries will come for issue. Journal entries in the books of Sundaram Limited. Okay, now be attentive. First entry will come on 1/7/17. We have issued on 1/7/17. Who all are still making the format? 30 more seconds, make it fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be attentive now. First entry, as I discussed, that will assume full amount is called with application. So 1/7/17 bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Okay. Now 14,000 debentures are issued and we will receive 315. We are issued at 5% premium. Premium is 15 rupees. So what amount will we receive? 300 plus 15? 315. So 44,10,000. Is everyone clear with this? We will receive 315 including premium. Now second entry on 1/7/17. Debenture application and allotment account debit with full amount 44,10,000. Okay. Okay, second entry, they are issued at premium. So debenture application and allotment to debentures to security premium reserve. Leave one line in between. When do you have to do that? When do you have to leave one line in between? But when do you have to leave that line in between? When they are redeemed at premium. Like here it is given they are redeemed at 330 rupees. Yesterday we solved question 15. There we underlined at the end redeemed at par. There was no effect. But here they are redeemed at premium. So when do you have to leave this line in between? Only when they are redeemed at premium. Then we have to combine the effect. So leaving one line, 8% debentures account. Earlier also I told you throughout the chapter debentures will always come with face value. So 14,000 into 300, 42 lakhs. Understood this? And then 2 security premium reserve account. 14,000 into 15 is the premium at the time of issue. Yesterday, very first difference I explained you. Premium at the time of issue is transferred to security premium reserve, and premiums at the time of redemption is transferred to premium on redemption account. So this is the premium at the time of issue. 14,000 into 15, 2,10,000. So this entry we have been doing earlier also. Okay, 2 entries. Bank to application and allotment to debentures to security premium reserve. Now they are also going to be redeemed at premium. So that effect we have to combine. That effect is loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption account. Now how much is premium on redemption? 30 rupees. So 14,000 into 30, 4,20,000. Both these amounts, loss on issue of debentures as well as premium on redemption will be 4,20,000. So directly don't pass combined entry, otherwise you get confused with amounts. First pass the entry of issue at premium, then combine the effect of redemption at premium. So confusion with amount will also not arise and you automatically get the combined entry. Did everyone understand this? Now these two entries are of issue. Now we have to pass the entries at the time of redemption. The redemption is to be done on 36/23. Can you see the date? So now on 36/23. First of all, they are redeemed at premium. So debentures account debit, premium on redemption account debit to debenture holders. Simply remember these two accounts you have to close. One is debenture, the other is premium on debit. Don't close the security premium reserve. This is a capital profit, credit all incomes and gains. This is a liability, credit the payables. Okay, yesterday itself I discussed. So the two liabilities are to be closed. Which two liabilities? Debentures and premium on redemption. So 8% debentures account debit with 42 lakhs. Premium on redemption account debit 4,20,000 to debenture holders account 46,20,000. Okay, including premium, we have to pay them 46,20,000. And then same date for payment. Did everyone of you understand this entry? Now debenture holders account debit, they are the receiver, debit the receiver with full amount 46,20,000 to bank account 46,20,000. Did everyone of you understand this? Any confusions? So 46, 20, 90, 240.
1,84,80,000.
1 crore 84 lakh
80,000.
80,000. Did everyone understand this? Now one more question. 17 I'll do on the board, then 16 you'll try on your own. Look at question 17. No. It's already normal on here. Yes, dear Render, question number 17. On 1/4/2017, Shivam Limited unlike issued 8,007.5% debentures of rupees 250 each. Now what is the face value? 250. And then at a discount of 5%. Yes, we? 12.5. Do it all of it 250 into 5%? 12.5, right? Above that, rupees 12.5. All the debentures are to be online redeemed after 5 years as on 31/3/2022 online at a premium of 10%. Anand, how much will be the premium redeemed at premium of 10%? Silence. 250 into 10%, 25. 250 is the face value, premium of 10%, 25. Sit down. Yes, now be a render. Write the necessary journal entries in the books of company without narration. Necessary means issue also and redemption also. So all the 4 entries will come. Make the format. Correct. What is the date? 1/4/17. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, and 8,000 debentures are issued into 237.5. By 237.5, discount will not receive. What money we are going to receive? 250 minus 12.5. We will receive 237.5. Here it was premium. So what did we receive? 300 plus 15, 315. Here there is discount. So what amount we will receive? 250 minus 12.5, 237.5. 19 lakhs. Did you understand this? Now second entry, first of all, keep it in mind they are issued at discount. So second entry, Ravlani, I don't want the combined entry. Just tell me what will be the entry, single entry for second entry of issue. Debenture application and allotment, discount on debentures account debit to debentures account. Application and allotment, what amount? 19 lakhs. Discount on debentures, what amount?
8,000 into 12.5.
8,000 into 12.5. And 2 debentures?
Full amount 250
Into 8,000. Correct. First of all, debenture application and allotment, we will close with full amount 19 lakhs. Discount on debentures account debit. Now discount was 12.5. So 8,000 into 12.5, 1 lakh. Then leaving 1 line. When do we have to leave that 1 line? Redeem that premium. Only when the debentures are going to be redeemed at premium. Leaving 1 line to which debentures they are? To 7.5% debentures account. Debentures always with face value. So 8,000 into 250, 20 lakhs. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts up till here? Now, they are redeemed at premium, so Renuka, what effect we will combine? Yes, now we'll combine the effect of redemption at premium, so loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption account. And what is the premium on redemption? 25. So 8,000 into 25, 2 lakhs. loss and liability both will be 2 lakhs. Did you understand this, everyone? Yes, now redemption is done on 31/3/22. First of all, you'll close 7.5% debentures account, debit with full amount 20 lakhs. Premium on redemption account, debit with full amount 2 lakhs. To debenture holders account with 22 lakhs. Did everyone understand this? And Valerie?
Debenture holders account debit to bank account with 22.
Yes, same date now for making the payment 31/3/22. Debenture holders are the receiver, debit the receiver. Debenture holders account debit with full amount 22 lakhs. And to bank account, bank is the giver, credit the giver with full amount 22 lakhs. 66 and 19, 85 lakhs.
Yes.
Did everyone understand this? So now 16th is the easiest one. This was premium, this was discount, now 16 is at par. So that you'll do it on your own. Okay, I'm discussing it, be attentive. Satyam Limited issued 12,008% debentures of 100 each at par as on 1/7/17. Underline issued at par. Be careful with the steps what we have done. First you pass the entry of issue at par. Means second entry will be simply debenture application and allotment to debenture. Then leave one line in between. Further, these debentures are to be redeemed on 36/2023 and then add rupees 115 per debenture. What does that mean? Premium is 15. Right on the right side, premium 15. 115 rupees means premium is 15. Now you combine that effect. Loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption with a premium of 15 rupees. Did you understand this, everyone? Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of company for issue and redemption. It means all the 4 entries are to be passed. Start doing it in 5-7 minutes. It should be over, not more than that. And as such, it's in your interest to do it fast because 2 more questions I have to do. Yes, yes. So do it in 5 to 7 minutes. I'm not kidding. 2 questions more we have to do. Again, one more I'll be doing on the board and one you'll be doing on your own. Okay, now check your answers. Be attentive, everyone. First of all, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. They are issued at par. So 12,000 into 100, 12 lakhs. Then same date 1/7/17. First you will do debenture application and allotment account debit to 8% debentures account with full amount of 12 lakhs. Then you combine the effect. Loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption with 15 is the premium. So 12,000 into 15, 1,80,000. Did everyone understand this? Then on 36/23, 8% debentures account you'll close with full amount 12 lakhs. Premium on redemption you'll close with full amount 1,80,000. To debenture holders 13,80,000. And last entry on 36/23, debenture holders account debit 13,80,000. To bank account will pay full amount 13,80,000. Did you understand this?
Yes.
13 into 3, 39 plus 2, 45.
53,40,000.
Yes, 53,40,000.
Yes.
Is everyone clear with this? Now, See, here we assume that full amount is called with application. If the amount is called in installments, application allotment call, something like that, then loss on issue to premium on redemption, where will we combine? Always allotment. Because until you allot the debentures, nothing becomes due. There is no profit earned, no loss incurred. So, in lump sum, full amount called with application, you combine it with second entry. But in installments, you combine it with third entry. Then first two entries will be of application. Third entry will be of allotment money due. There you will combine the effect of loss on issue to premium on redemption. Okay. In the summary where we have written this effect, loss on issue to premium on redemption, on the right side write down on the right side of the entry write down where we have written this loss on issue to premium on redemption, effect on issue, right? At par we have written no effect, then at premium we have written loss on issue to premium on redemption. On the right side I have combined with second entry in lump sum and third entry in installments. Okay, full amount is called in lump sum, then combine it with second entry. As we have done in these three questions, we have combined with second entry. And if an amount is called as installments, then you combine it with third. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now again I'll solve question 20 on the board and 19 you'll do on your own. Look at question 20, be a reader. Same page, question 20. Yes, listen carefully. Star Technology Limited issued 16,000 8.5% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10% and then issued and then at a discount of 10%. And then what will be the amount of discount? 10 rupees only, 100 into 10%, 10. I don't know about that, rupees 10. As on 1/9/17, all the debentures are and then redeemable at a premium of 8%. So again 8% will be 8 rupees. That will be the rupees 8 after 6 years. So redeemable at premium means we have to combine the effect of loss on issue to premium on redemption. The amount was payable as under application rupees 60 per debenture and allotment and then balance amount. What will be the balance amount? 100 minus 60, 40, but we will receive 30 because discount of 10 will also come with allotment. So you underline balance amount and write 90 minus 60, 30 because we always write allotment after discount. Did everyone understand this? Pass necessary journal entries for issue of debentures, only for issue, online for issue. So 4 entries will come, 2 of application and 2 of allotment. Is there any confusion with amount of allotment? Or if you are clear with this 90 minus 60, 30, that is after discount, but face value is 40. Is everyone clear with it? Make the format, so 4 entries will come. Journal entries in the books of Star Technology Limited. Here we will not write the dates, only serial number because applications date we know 1/9/17 but allotments date is not given. So we'll write the serial numbers. Did you all make the format? Who all are making it still? Now first entry be added. Now there are 2 separate installments. So first entry of application, bank account debit to debenture application account. 16,000 debentures are issued and there is full subscription in absence of information. So 16,000 into 60 is application money, 9,60,000. Okay, 16,000 into 60. Is everyone clear with it? Now, second entry of application, debenture application account debit with full amount of 9,60,000 to 8.5% debentures account $9,60,000. Now in third entry we have to combine that effect. They are redeemed at premium, so in third entry we have to combine it. First of all, they are issued at discount. So third entry will be debenture allotment account debit with the amount of allotment 16,000 into 30, 4,80,000. Then discount on debentures account debit with the amount of discount 16,000 into 10, 1,60,000, leaving one line. When do we have to leave one line? Redeemed at premium. Here they are redeemed at premium. To 8.5% debentures account with face value. Face value of allotment is 40. So 16,000 into 40, 6,40,000. Did everyone understand this? Now we have to combine the effect of redemption at premium. So loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption account can you see redeemed at premium of 8%? So 16,000 into 8, 1,28,000. Okay, premium will be 16,000 into 8, 1,28,000. Did everyone understand this? And normal entry fourth, receipt of allotment money. So don't get carried away. Debentures, premium on redemption to debenture holders. Now we are just passing entries of issue. 2 entries of application and 2 of allotment. So bank account debit to debenture allotment account with full amount 4,80,000.
31,68,000.
Total 31,68,000. Did everyone understand this? So I discussed 19 and you carried on your own. Okay. Be attentive. Everyone is clear with this question. So normal 4 entries, it's an installment question, but only new point is this we have done in the beginning of the chapter installments question. Here redeemed at premium is the extra information. So second entry changes, third entry, rest all remains same. Look at question 19. On 1/7/17, Paras Pharma Limited issued 20,009% debentures of 400 each. What's the face value? 400. Are to be redeemed after 7 years and at a premium of 12%. 400 into 12%, 48. Letter on the left side, 48. One more thing. Issue nothing is given means they're issued at par. Regarding issue nothing is mentioned means they're issued at par. Further, as per the conditions in prospectus, the amount is payable on application 125 per debenture and then balance amount at the time of allotment. So, what will be the balance amount at the time of allotment? 400 minus 125? 275. Right on there, 275. So, allotment entry will pass with what amount? 275. Pass necessary journal entries for issue and then for issue of debentures in the books of company. So, these 4 entries will come. Discount is not there. It is issued at par. Is everyone clear with this? Do it on your own, then I'll show it on the board. Now, check your entries, everyone, be attentive. First, bank account debit to debenture application with 20,000 debentures into 125 called with application. So, 25 lakhs. Maintain silence. Second entry, debenture application account debit with full amount 25 lakhs to 9% debentures 25 lakhs. Then third entry, debenture allotment account debit 20,000 debentures into 275. Allotment is 275. So 55 lakhs.
Yes.
And also to 9% debentures 55 lakhs. Now premium is 12%, that is 48 rupees. So loss on issue of debentures 20,000 into 48, 9 lakh 60,000. And also premium on redemption 9 lakh 60,000. Then bank to debenture allotment with 55 lakhs. Okay, allotment money what we will receive is 55 lakhs.
1,69,60,000.
Okay, 1 crore 69 lakhs 60,000 is the total. Did everyone understand this? Illustration 13 to 17 is your homework. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 questions we have done in class. Okay, day after tomorrow you have to show that. Tomorrow you have to test of shared capital. So these 5 to be done by day after tomorrow.